Alright, here is the 2014 Range Rover Sport HSE, 3-liter supercharged V6, finished in Lore Blue Metallic, 122,000 miles. Paint is in beautiful condition for the mileage and age. No major dings, dents, or scratches. Still shimmers in the sun. Do have a little bit of chipping here on the Sport logo, but nothing major. Come to the back, tailgate still works, have your floor mats right here. That is all good. No rust, no major paint damage. We do have a minor dent, very minor. Other than that, excellent condition. Come to the interior. No wear, no tear, no scratches, no rips. Side, heated steering wheel. You do have your heated and cooled seats. You also have your adaptive cruise control, your media controls, your automatic headlights, your automatic wipers. No lights on the dash. Air suspension works. Have the fridge, which does still work. Panoramic sunroof, which still works. The engine runs good. Has been serviced at a European specialist shop. .360 camera system, Bridgestone tires, all really good.